Hello and welcome back to Excel Skills Hub. Today we're diving into one of Excel's most powerful and commonly used functions, the if function. This function is essential for anyone working with data, as it helps us make decisions within our spreadsheets based on specific conditions. Here's our scenario. We have a list of loan amounts, and we need to apply a bonus based on the loan size. If the loan amount is above 1 lakh, we will give a bonus of 30% of the loan amount. If it's below 1 lakh, we will apply a bonus of 0%. Let's walk through setting up an if function together with a practical example. We're going to calculate a bonus based on the loan amount. Begin by typing to start the formula. Then type if and open the bracket. Our logical test checks if the loan amount is greater than 1 lakh. If the loan amount is in cell C2, the test will be C210000000. Next, specify what happens if the condition is true. If the loan amount is greater than 1 lakh, we want a 30% bonus. So we type C2 30%. Add a comma. Then define what happens if the condition is false. If the loan amount is not above 1 lakh, we'll apply a 0% bonus. So type 0, close the bracket, and press Enter. Here's the complete formula if the loan amount is in cell C2. Once you've entered this formula, you can copy and paste it down the column to apply it to all other loan amounts. Excel will now automatically calculate a 30% bonus for loan amounts above 1 lakh and a 0% bonus for those below. Using the if function, we've set up a simple condition to apply a bonus based on loan amounts. This formula is versatile and can be used in various data scenarios where conditional logic is needed. Thanks for joining us today. Don't forget to subscribe for more Excel tips, and feel free to leave any questions in the comments below. Happy excelling!